Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to put a catch can on your Toyota Tacoma with 4.0. It's very, very easy. Use my old antenna as a pointer. This tube, you can see right here, this end right here is coming from the crankcase. Just a little squeeze clip holding it on, and it comes straight over here to the intake. This tube is what you have to take off. And this catch can kit I got from eBay comes with this garbage hose right here. It's useless. Don't bother with that. That's the one thing you will have to get. You'll have to get your own hose. I'll put some pictures right here of the kit I got. And $22. There's several different types you can find on eBay, but I wanted this one because the lower portion just unscrews and it's got a dipstick. And you can see from the pictures all the other attachments it comes with. Now this one, another thing I liked about it was all of the different options on how you could use it. I'm going to be using this cap put on the top. I thought about using the filter, but because I've got mine mounted right here, so I've got plenty of room to get the bottom off, there's no room for the filter. It would hit my hood. You could also, instead of having the crankcase go to this side, which is the in, and the intake coming from this side, which is the out, you could simply put a large bung on the out side of it, if I can get it threaded in, and put the filter there, and put a cap on the intake side. That's an option too. But I'm going to actually have mine breathing. I'm going to put all this back on. And here's how simple it is. I showed you the tube it is, and you saw the squeeze clamps. Just take the squeeze clamps off and remove the tube. There's the tube. That's it. That part's out. I've already got this mounted. That's on you. There's two mounting holes here from the factory. I don't know what they were for, but I drilled out the lower portion of the mount that comes on the catch can so a larger bolt would fit through it, and that's how I've got mine mounted. That was the easiest for me. And I went to Napa and I bought 4 foot of 3/8 vacuum line. I didn't get fuel line. It's just, it seems like a overkill, a waste to me. It's like $1 something, and this was less than $1 a piece, less than $1 a foot. And the kit that I've got here comes with hose clamps and mounting bolts for the catch can itself. Like I said, I'm not using any of that. So I haven't cut my hose yet. I'm going to put it on the crankcase with a hose clamp on it. And tighten the hose clamp down. And like I said, crankcase goes to the in, and it's clearly marked on the side of it. You'll see if you get this style. Let's see. I'm gonna go under this. There we go. Cut that right there. I'm going to take these squeeze clamps off the factory hose and use them on my hose out here on the catch can. And there's the end. Set that through. Yep. And for the outside. These are 3/4 inch, if you're wondering. Hose clamps that came with the kit. On the hose I bought from Napa to the intake side. Cut that just a little bit longer. That wasn't me. The other squeeze clamp on the factory tube. Like I said, I'm running with this plug. And there is baffle in here. And what I did was cut some like Scotch pad that wasn't used and put a piece in there as a filter element. And that's it. It's there. So next time I do an oil change, I'll pull this canister off. Or I might not even do that. I might just pull my little dipstick. And if I don't see any oil on my dipstick, I won't even bother with it. But it's in a good location. Got plenty of room to get in here and take the can off. Might put a zip tie on those just to make it look better. That's it. This was, like I said, less than $22. Look at the pictures of it. The only thing I had to buy was the hose. I bought 4 foot of 3/8. I used the hose clamps that came with my kit, squeeze clamps that came off the factory hose. Everything else was included. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that bell so when I post videos, you'll be notified. See you next time.